Write alphabets on your pocket. Find the alphabet to form a word. Cat, T, H, I, S, this. M, Y, my. I, S, is. The second activity with Pop It is of addition and subtraction. Let's go. First pop 9 times. Now pop 2 more times. Count all together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Pop 4 times. More 4 times. Count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Subtraction time. Take the bigger number. Pop 8 times. Now the smaller number is 3. Pop it 3 times back. Now count how many are left. 1, 2, 3 for 5. Answer is 5. Take bigger number. Now pop it 13 times. Now we have to subtract 8. Flip the poppet and then pop 8 times back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Flip it back and count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 5. Thanks for watching.